And this is my first time in a year of owning a bike that I'm riding with my dad. And he's in the Harley in front of me. And my camera's kind of low. I don't have a mount. But yeah, this is my first time riding with my dad. So, yeah. Follow me on TikTok, Insomnia Tay. I'm having fun posting funny TikToks, or just like, I don't know, TikToks. It's much easier to edit than YouTube, but I'm gonna still do motovlogs, of course. But it's just easier. And then my birthday was yesterday, and that's about it. He thinks he's cool. Huh? Yep. Oh, I got Woody on the back of my bike too. So I got Buzz and Woody now. I will show that later. Man, my camera is pointing down. I'm sorry. He's so fucking cool. This dude better not take me on the highway for the first time. I've not been on the highway yet. And this is the way to the highway. Okay, he's not. Good boy. Keeps pointing at potholes. I'm a rider, bro. I know what I'm doing now. Turkey. Now he's pointing at turkey. motorcycle course to get your full license through Harley Davidson, and it was a cool experience. I always heard people say that it's a cool experience, and I'm always like, yeah, whatever. But after actually taking it, and my coaches like actually wanting to teach you and act like really good people and meeting cool people in the classes, like we all added each other on Instagram to ride together in the future. So I'm pretty sure class of 12 ended with 7. I'm pretty sure me and only one other dude had a bike, so in the future we're gonna ride together. But cool experience. I'm an introvert, I'm shy, and I made friends in the class. And like I said, very good coaches. They want to teach you. So if you were thinking about taking it, I definitely recommend taking it through Harley Davidson. And then you could be riding your Ninja with your dad on his Harley. That could be you. Huh? 3,500. What?
Did you like that little ride? You didn't like it?
I liked it. I almost slid out once, but I caught it.
Slid out where?
A turn. I felt the wheel go.
Yeah.
I saw Jesus.
Well, yeah. I mean, it happens.